Okay, boat anchor CB radio repair with another repair. I actually repaired it. I still need to clean it, it's pretty dirty. But first, the power supply. That's good. That little transistor on there, the driver tranny, it wasn't. It was blown out. I threw it in the trash, so you can't see it. It just looks like a 945, basically. So, and this thing gets hot. These diodes, these diodes here in the rectifier diodes get pretty hot. But, and I recapped some of it. Not all of it. I just wanted to get it to work. If I feel like doing it, I might recap it later. But, first thing, get it work. Okay, the first problem was the power supply was burned out. I put the transistor in the board. Power supply is putting out 14.4 volts. Yeah, I know it's kind of high but it's you would call it a regulated power supply, but there is no VR on here to, like a 2000 or a grand or I mean a base, you know. There is no VR to turn the power up and down. So it is what it is, 14.45 volts. Okay, now, there is a 1K resistor. What it was is I just found one of these old broken VRs I took out of the Centurion. That happened to be 1K, and I just soldered it underneath that resistor there that goes to this coil, and that brought it back down. It was pretty high up, like say you're on 17, it was 167 something, and I couldn't do it, and the crystals are all good. I couldn't get this one, and that crystal's good. I tried trimming that crystal there. I could only get it down to so much. So just like on the M, I had to put a 1000. Probably what's happening is this is went down in value or something. So I just added that 1000 underneath this resistor here, bridged it, and it brought it back down close enough to where I can get it aligned. So now all the channels are aligned. I had to do, let's see, that pass through right there. I reflowed a bunch of stuff underneath. I hit these pass-throughs down there because I would tap on the board and it would unkey by itself. Then come to find out it was the voltage regulator, which is, let me get it here, let me turn it around and I'll show you that voltage regulator. I would tap on it right here, and I would just barely tap on it, and it would then I could push down and the watts would go up. I'd let off, and then it would just unkey by itself with me holding the key down. So I found one of these in one of my old 1000 M's and wired it in. Then I resoldered a bunch of stuff. There's that VR there that takes the place or adds or whatever. Anyway, I put that on there and I got it to 165. And all the other channels are on frequency. And yeah, then I had to take the clock out to fix the squelch because the squelch wouldn't break. It wouldn't engage. So I noticed by pushing this board down or pulling it up, it would engage. So I took the clock out, reflowed a bunch of stuff under the clock right there, and that started working. And then I reflowed a bunch of this stuff here, thinking that it was in here, but it wasn't. It was the AM regulator. So everything's done now. It's working. So let me get it cleaned up, and yeah, even the light works. And the clock works. Yep, the wheel is spinning. Yep, the clock is working. And the light is on. And let me turn it on here. I still got to put the knobs on. I'm missing a top knob here, so. And I don't have one, so I don't have an extra knob, which sucks, but I do have the bottom knobs. Okay, here we go. Okay. Audio. Audio. And I set the meter. 4 watts on the meter. 4 watts on this one. Audio. Hello. Hello. Yeah, 4 to 15 is pretty damn good. Sideband. Hello. Yeah. Almost 20 watts. Upper. Audio. Audio. 1, 2. Audio. Audio. Yeah. 18, 20 watts. So, hello, hello. 1, 2, audio. Audio. Yeah, this radio is kicking major butt. Hello, for what it is. 15 watts, that's pretty good. Hello, hello. Well, the thing is, nobody's out there, so this squelch is working now. All these lights are still working. That light's working, that light's working. That light there hardly ever goes out. Those neons last years. NB. See how that works? Pretty good. Okay, let me close it all up and show you the finished product. Audio. 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 17 watts. Audio. 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 20 watts. Upper. Audio. 21 watts. Okay, let's see how close I got it. 1650. Okay, 23. Yeah, 2/10 off. Well, nobody's perfect. It's not that far off. Let's see if all of them on that last crystal. 2250. Okay, so it must be one of those four for channel 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're right here. Or actually, they're over here. Okay, let's check this one. Yeah, 2148 and that one. Okay. Well, Channel 6. 1/10 off. 10 hertz? Or is that 100 hertz? 100 hertz, I think. Audio. Audio. Okay. Boy, this one here, man, what goes into a pace? These things are a bear, to put it lightly. But once you get them going, this one's got a lot of power. And it belonged to KLV 8653. On channel 2. This was his channel 2 radio. Okay, Bolinker CB radio repair with a repair of a 1000B pace 23 channel SSB break.